The Syrian SDF, a US-backed coalition of armed groups led by the Kurdish YPG, have captured the Islamic State headquarters in Syria that Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was using for meeting the leaders of ISIS in Syria and Europe. The Syrian Democratic Forces, SDF, a US-backed coalition of armed groups led by the Kurdish People's Protection Units, YPG, have captured the two places that Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was using for meeting with the leader of ISIS in Syria and special training for leader of ISIS who is traveling to Europe for terrorist activity, according to the documents that have been found in these two places and reported by pro-Kurdish the war news agency. These two places are not too far from each other. One of them have got 2 bedrooms. One bedroom is full of chair it's been used for meeting, the second room is full of Islamic book. The second place have got 3 bedrooms, each bedroom have 1 bed and 1 hand wash sink. Both places are underground, located in highest part of Manbij mountain in Syria, near Turkish border. Reported by Botin Kurdistani for RH News Agency. June 6, 2016. Here is full video without editing.